Now it's time to look at our usage data in Analytics. Remember, to get to the Analytics dashboard, you go to analytics.google.com. Log in if you need to, and choose your account. And the Analytics dashboard opens at the App Overview page. But first, I want to look at the real-time data, so go to Real-Time and Overview. Pause the video now while you go to the real-time overview right now. When you go to a screen in your app, a tracking hit is generated. The Analytics service batches up tracking requests and sends them all together at regular intervals. I'll talk more about that soon. The point here is that you might need to wait a few minutes for the data to start showing up in your app. The data is going to show up while there are active users, and then when nobody's using your app, it's going to disappear. Now let's look at the accumulated data. To do that, go back to the App Overview. Get that by clicking here, App Overview. And the Overview page gives a summary of all the data for your app. Notice the default date range up here, and you'll see that it ends in not today's date, but yesterday's date. So this is April the 6th, today's actually April the 7th. So since we want to see the data that we got for today while we're testing, we need to change the date range. So you click on it, you choose the start date and the end date, and I recommend, while you're the only one using the app and we're working through the course, just set the date range to just be today. So go to today, whichever that is. For me, that's 7th of April. Set the start date, and then the end date will automatically be today because you can't go beyond today. And you apply the date range. Now don't worry if you don't see any data yet. It might take a while for the data to show up. While we're waiting for the data to arrive, I'm going to talk a bit about sessions.